Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Toshiba satellite computer back to factory settings that is running Windows 10. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to type in reset. Best match that comes up should say reset this PC right above system settings. Just want to left click on that option one time here. So now in the new settings window that appears underneath recovery, reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstalls Windows. Left click on this get started button right here. Once you get to the screen that says choose an option, we have two options to pick from. Either keep your files, which will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Now keep in mind, even though it says keeps your personal files, I would still highly suggest creating a backup to an external media source like a USB flash drive or CD. And your second option is to remove everything, which will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. And in the true nature of doing a factory reset, we're going to select this option to remove everything. So it's going to say this won't take long, but we're going to have a couple more prompts we're going to have to go through in order to initiate the reset process. So it's going to ask if you want to clean the drives as well. So if you're going to be donating or giving your computer to a different party, I would suggest selecting remove files and clean the drive. If you're going to be holding on to your computer, I would say just removing your files would be sufficient, and it should be a little quicker. And now we're ready to confirm that we are going to reset our computer, which will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, all apps and programs, and any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. Left click on this reset button to begin the process. This will take some time, so please be patient. And once we get some further prompts that require some action, I will resume the narration of this tutorial. Okay, so at this point you're going to enter in some information. You're going to enter your country, preferred language, keyboard layout, and what time zone you're in. And then once you've checked all of that, you're going to select Next. It'll begin applying these settings. You're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. You can use express settings to instantly get back and speed up the process a little bit, or you can click on customize right here. It should be the middle button, and you can customize what you're exactly installing when you're resetting Windows 10. So if you want to disable sending input data to Microsoft, you can deselect that by clicking inside of these horizontal boxes, and you can go through and check them out on your own, but I'm going to keep most of them default how they are, and I'm going to select next here. I'm going to select next again, and you guys are more than welcome to go check through and see exactly what you are agreeing to. I'm just trying to speed this video up a little bit. Okay, so at this point you have the option to enter in your Microsoft account credentials if you were previously using a Microsoft account to use your account. You could also create a new Microsoft account, or you could skip this step and create a local account on your computer, which what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a quick little example for you guys. I am not going to enable Cortana, so I'm going to select not now. And there we go. We can see we are logging into Windows, and it should be a fresh install Windows we are logging into right now. Okay, so we actually have an update waiting, but I'm not going to select that, so I'm going to do not now, bottom left. Hello everyone, I'm back. So our Toshiba satellite laptop has been restored back to factory settings. So at this point you should be good to go to reinstall any applications that were removed during this process. And at that point I would recommend creating a system restore point as well. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.